introduce yourself. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your first day of school. Let's start by introducing ourselves. I'll go first. My name is Kala ma'am. I'm going to be your class teacher. I love reading books and I spend most of my time teaching little children like all of you. Now it's your turn. Don't be shy. Why don't you start with telling us your name?
My name is Kutu.
Hi, Kutu. It's nice to meet you. Say hi to Kutu, everyone.
Hi, Kutu.
How old are you, Kutu?
I'm 4 years old.
Good job, Kutu. Now, can you tell us more? It's okay to be nervous, Kutu. Tell us what you had for breakfast today.
I had idlis.
Do you like idlis, Kutu?
No, I only like crispy dosas.
Kutu, tell us about your parents.
My mother is a doctor and my father is the best cook in the whole world.
Wow. What about your grandparents?
My nanny is a scientist and Nanu is my favorite because he tells me the best stories ever.
That sounds exciting, Kutu. Now tell us one thing that you are really good at.
I can eat 5 samosas in less than 2 minutes.
I meant, what are your hobbies, Kutu?
Oh, I like to swim. I like to draw. And I really like playing with Ki and Minku in the park.
Could you tell us who Ki and Minku are?
Ki is my sister and Minku is my best friend.
This is exactly how you introduce yourself, children. Who wants to go next?
That's my best friend Minku.